What do you want to spell?
Office.
You want to spell office?
What's office?
We can spell office. O.
O. O.
F.
F.
F. Again. I.
I.
C.
C.
E.
E.
And then hit enter.
Okay. Is this okay?
Yep, that one. Oh, down. Nope, that was backspace. Type E again. E. Okay, there's enter. Yep. Now which word would you like to type? What's
Mama.
it? Mama. M.
M. What's M? M.
A.
A.
M.
M.
A.
A. T. M.
Yep. Mama. Now you can hit. You can push enter again. Now what do you want to spell?
There.
Dada? D? A, no. Oh, do you want to spell Brian?
Boy.
Okay. R.
I got D for you.
I.
I.
A.
E.
N.
N.
Now what?
9. 9. 2 N's for you.